Hi there, my name is Christian Braybrook and I work on product development here at Education Inventory. Welcome to this series of screencast tutorials, and what this series is about is giving you a selection of tutorials on our new EAMS system. That's the version 3 of this system that we've just launched. And I just wanted, before we dive into the tutorials, to give you an overview of the system and some of its capabilities. And then the videos following will go into more detail on each feature. So I'm on the login form here, and I've already typed in my email and password, and this little remember me option at the bottom just gives you the option that the system won't log you out automatically. So if you're on a private computer, that may be something you want to do. So we're going to do that and log in. And as soon as you log in, you get taken straight to the dashboard, and you can see you have a brief overview of your account, and it tells you your role. So this account has the role of organization admin, which means that you're an administrator of an organization or a school, whatever account type you have. There's two other roles, organization user and organization auditor. But we'll go into more detail in another video of what those roles include. Now, the dashboard layout will vary depending on which role you have, but for organization admin you can see everything that there is to see, and there's different panels for each object type. So we've got users, buildings, rooms, items and reports. What these panels do, they give you a brief overview of what's happening in your organization. So it will give you the top 5 results for each object. Now obviously we don't have 5 of any on this account, so it's only given us how many there are. So for example 2 here. Now for each object you can do most things you need to do without leaving the dashboard. So you can create a new object, so create a new user, and do that without leaving the dashboard. You can edit that item or delete it without leaving the dashboard. But if you want to go into more detail on that particular, whether it's a building or a room, you can use the navigation at the top here to do so. So buildings and rooms fall under locations. So if we click on locations here, you can see we've got rooms and buildings, and now we're viewing all of the data. So not just the top 5 like we did on the dashboard, but if there were more buildings here, we'd see as many buildings as we have in our organization, and same with rooms. And you can still create a new building or create a new room on this page. It's just you have a couple more options, and more advanced options. Same again with items. If you go on the items page, you'll see all the items and some more information as well when you create a new item or edit an item. But as I say, we'll go into more information, into more detail in the tutorials for each of these. And again, on reports, you have the option to create a new report and view the reports that you've already created. Another thing that's new with this new system with version 3 is you have the option to see your user profile. So you've now got the option to reset your password and change any information that you need to for your particular user account, which is really nice. So I'm just going to head back to the dashboard and click again here to log out. And so that's a quick overview of the new version 3. I encourage you to browse through the tutorials and just get to know version 3, because there are some really exciting new features in there.